Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down, find the option called Alarms, and tap on it. And right here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on New Alarm button. Set the time on which the alarm should go off. To do it, swipe on hours and minutes. And once you're done, tap on the hour. As you can see, the alarm was created. Now we can tap on it. And here we can customize it. We can change the time again if you want to. We can turn it on or off. We can scroll down and enable the smart wake option. We can also scroll down and select the days on which the alarm should be active. And if you select, or rather won't select any day, the alarm will go off once and it won't repeat again. But for example, if you select every day, the alarm will repeat every day. Or if you select, for example, Monday and Tuesday, it will repeat every Monday and Tuesday. So customize this according to your liking. And once you're done, you can press the side button or swipe right on the screen to go back. As you can see here, we have our alarm. You can have multiple alarms if you want to, like this. And if you want to remove the alarm, tap on one, and then tap on remove at the bottom of the menu, like that. You can also turn it on or off by tapping on this icon right here. Okay, let's remove this one too, like that. And once you're done changing or setting up your alarms, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.